Show me. What do you say? Who are we saying thank you to?
To someone very special. XOXO. Love, Pap, and Great Grandma.
XOXO. Let's go. Whoa, cookies.
Yummy. Those are animal crackers, boys.
Give an animal.
What's your card say?
I don't know. Are those gummies?
It says, hi there. Hope Valentine's Day puts a big happy smile on your very cute face. Love, Pap, and Great Grandma. That's Keegan's card.
Are these gummies?
Those are fruit snacks.
They're gummies.
Yum.
What else you got in there?
New bowl?
I got
Whoa.
snacks. Can you put, hey, Kim, you put these in.
Well, we'll put them in there in a minute. Go look. Go get your coloring book out. Here, give them to Daddy.
He's putting them away.
You putting them away, Keegan?
Right in there.
Okay.
This is puzzle. Hey! Why'd
It's,
you do that?
it's just fell off,
You
Will.
didn't touch it, buddy.
What do you got, Keegan?
Here's video proof.
A book.
What do you boys say to Great Grandma and Pat?
Thank you.
Keegan, what about you?
You say thank you.
Can you say Happy Valentine's Day?
Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day.
You say love you.
Hey, you. What?
All right, say bye.
Bye.